Welcome back everyone, Killer NC here, and today we're going to take a quick look at the G Technology G Drive Mobile 4 terabyte external hard drive. Let's go. Alright guys, so I picked this up for $119. I'll leave links in the description in case you're interested at the end of the video. So let me give you some information. The transfer speeds are up to 130 megabytes per second. I went with the 4 terabyte model. Now, for the mobile version of these hard drives, 4 terabyte is the highest that you can go. Anything else is more of a desktop, big and clunky version. So, of course, I wanted it to be mobile, and so I went with the 4 terabyte. This is a plug-and-play hard drive. There's nothing to download. This is Thunderbolt 3, USB-C, and USB 3.0 compatible. This has a 3-year limited warranty. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open it up. All right. Go ahead and get my little unboxing knife. Okay, pretty nice presentation. It has another one covering the top. Okay, it opens up like a book. All right, here's the hard drive. Let's move that to the side for a second, see what else we have. And we have the quick start guide. Put that to the side. The 3-year limited warranty information. And it looks like everything else is in Chinese. Let's see what else we have. We have the Type-C cable. And then we have the USB-A. So not much in the box, pretty simple. The USB-A and the USB-C. And then we have the actual hard drive. I went with the aluminum version as it goes with my aluminum MacBook Pro. They also have a black version. So we have the port here to connect it to your computer. And then we have the, looks like a little light. It'll tell you when things are being moved around and it's working. Okay? Upside down, we just have the model G Drive Mobile, USB 3.0, 5 volts, 900 milliamps, 4 terabytes, and then some serial number. It doesn't weigh much. For 4 terabytes, I thought it would weigh a lot more. It's not heavy at all. So I am looking to purchase a carrying case for all my external components. I'll be using this. I'll be putting that Oki external hub and any memory cards and flash drives that I might have. So I'm in search for that next. Like I said, I will put a link in the description in case you want to check it out. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to hit that like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Take care.